Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Kulsandar, Assistant Professor IT Department. In my previous video, we learn about what is software process model and also learn about personal software process and team software process. And in this video, we learn about software quality assurance and verification and validation techniques. Now, first we discuss what is software quality assurance. Now, basically, what is quality? So, quality is nothing but a characteristics or attribute of something. Okay. And software quality assurance is simply a way to assure quality in the software. And also, it is a set of activities which ensure procedures as well as standard which is suitable for the project and implemented correctly. It is nothing but the software quality assurance. Okay. So most of expert and experienced software developers say that high quality software is an important objective. Okay. But there is some question. How do we define quality? So the answer is that every program does something right and it just may not be thing that we want to do. This means that when a program return what is expected as well as maybe what is not expected by the user. Okay. And software quality assurance is a process which works parallel to development of a software. It means it will work parallelly. Okay. Software quality assurance is nothing but the conformance of explicitly stated function and the performance requirement such as explicitly documented and development standard and implicitly characteristic that are expected of all development process. Okay. And it also focuses on improving the process of development of software so that the problem can be prevented before they become a major issue. Got it? And also software quality assurance is a kind of umbrella activity that is applied throughout the software process. And also there are two requirements like implicit and external. Also a set of implicit requirements that is to be desired for use and good maintainability. Got it? And the software ensures to explicitly requirements, but it can be achieved implicit requirement of the software quality is not good. Got it? What is the software quality assurance technique? Now, first we discuss what is verification and validation. Verification and validation is the process of investigating that a software system satisfies specification and standards and it fulfills the required purpose. Okay. And Barry Boehm describes verification and validation of software testing. So, what is verification? Are the example is that are we building the product right? It is verify that. And in case of validation, are we building the right product is nothing but the validation. Now, what is verification? Verification is the process of checking that software achieve its goal without any bug. What is verification? Software achieve its goal without any bugs. And it is the process to ensure whether the product that is developed is right or not. It means product is developed right way or wrong way. Okay. Also, it verify whether the developed product fulfills the requirement that we have. Okay. And verification is a static testing. There are two types of testing, static testing and dynamic testing. So verification is static testing. And Verification involves the following activities such as inception, review, walkthroughs, desk checking, etc. Now, verification refer to the set of activities that ensure that software correctly implemented in a specific function. Verification is done in a design process. It verifies the software being developed and implemented all the functionality specified in the design document. So, why we use verification? What is the importance of verification? Suppose, let's take an example. You are building a single web page application. Okay, you are building a single web page application. Verification testing is all about checking whether the web page has all components or support all the browser that are to be mentioned in SRS system. Okay, and if any anomaly is found in the web application during the verification testing, it will create a critical bug in the next phase of testing. Got it? If any anomaly is found during the web application, verification testing create critical bug in the next phase of testing. Hence, test verification is carried out to ensure that the number of bug is reduced in the next phases of the verification. And the test verification is the only answer to the very basic question. What is the question? Are you developing the website correctly? Okay. And each phases of the development life cycle, verification testing that can be demonstrate completeness and also correctness and also consistency of the web application. Okay. Also, it verify the product in the very beginning, make you understand is better. Okay, and it even reduce the chance of bug occurring during the development as well as verification testing, and reduce the chance of failure, and it helps in creating a product as per the requirement to the customer. Okay, it reduces the chance of failure of the product as per the requirement of customer. Now we discuss what is validation. Validation is a process of checking whether the software product is up to the mark, or other hand we can say that product has high level requirement. Validation is nothing but the product has high level requirement. Also, the process of checking the validation of product. Okay, it means it check what we are developing is the right product. Okay, and it is validation of actual and expected product. Okay, verification is a static testing and validation is a dynamic testing. Got it? There are 4 activities involved in validation, such as black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, and integration testing. Also, validation is a process of evaluating software at the end of the development process. Validation is a process of evaluating software at the end of development process, and to determine whether software meets to the customer expectation and its requirements. Got it? What is the validation? Now, what is importance of validation? Validation testing is done in multiple phases like load testing, acceptance testing, unit testing, etc. Also, web application goes through all mandatory test phases. Okay, validation testing ensure that after development, the finished product that will be satisfy all the requirement of the customer. It is the importance of validation testing. For example, website is supposed to run perfectly on a specific browser in a specific operating system. Okay, and when the feature is implemented and validation testing is carried out, the tester will be able to understand the functional difference between actual product and expected result. These all are the importance of validation testing. Now we discuss about what is the difference between verification and validation. So first point in verification is that are we implementing the system right, and in validation is that are we implementing the right system. Okay, verification is the process of evaluating products of a development phase to find out whether they meet the specified requirement, is nothing but the verification. And what is validation? Validation is the process of evaluating software at the end of the development process, that is to be determined whether the software meets the customer expectation and its requirement. Okay, the objective of verification is that make sure the product being developed as per the requirements and design specification, and the objective of validation is that make sure the product meet user requirements and check whether the specification were correct in the first phase. Following activities such as involved in verification, reviews, meeting and inception. Okay, and validation activities involve testing like black box testing, white box testing, gray box testing, etc. Execution of code is not come under verification. Okay, and execution of code is come under validation. Okay, code execution come in validation and execution of code is not comes under verification. Okay, and verification carried out before the validation, and validation activity is carried out just after verification. Okay, and cost of error in a verification is less than validation, and cost of error in validation is more than the verification. These all are points involved in verification and validation. Okay, got it, the difference between verification and validation. In this video we cover the software quality assurance, also verification and validation of the software quality assurance, also importance of verification and validation, and the main difference between verification and validation in software quality assurance. Thank you so much for watching this video.